Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're looking at CryptoMiningGame, and we got loads of stuff for you. We got birthday celebrations, we got new mobile games, and I've got a payment proof for you as well, so keep watching. Okay, welcome to another video, and remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so straight into it. Here we are in my CMG account, or CryptoMiningGame account, and as you saw in the intro, it has been 3 years since CMG came online, so a big happy birthday to CryptoMiningGame, and they've done something special for us, the community, to basically say a big thank you to us for being a big part of their success. So if we go into the world, so when you come in here and you're doing your world missions, what you want to keep an eye out for is these little birthday presents. Now, this is something that CMG is doing just for their birthday celebrations, and it will last until, I believe it's the 15th or 16th of December. And basically, contained in these birthday packages are tickets to enter you into raffles for some really cool prizes, but also, as well, as always, you got the usual things in there like energy and coins and all that kind of stuff. If we dive into messages, so this is a lot of the birthday missions that I have completed. You can see we have quite a lot. And if you just pick some random ones, so here you go. So in this one you've got 1 ticket, but you've got nearly 2,000 experience. You've got 11 energy. Obviously, a lot of the times when you're doing missions, you might get 1 energy or a couple of energy at best. But you've got, like I say, you've got 11. And what they're doing, and this is really cool, is you'll notice the amount of energy you get corresponds to the level that you are collecting. So if we go into this one, you'll see I've got 5 tickets, 4,000 experience and 15 energy. So anytime you collect one of these birthday packages or complete a birthday mission, you are returned the exact amount of energy that you are using. So essentially you are not using any energy to collect these packages, but you are gaining, like I say, you're gaining tickets into these birthday raffles. You're getting cards, you're getting H power, you're getting crystals. Sometimes you might find an extra crate. Here's another one. You got 3 tickets, nearly 4,000 XP, bonus H power. And you get the idea. So if you are not doing it already, when you're out there, make sure you're looking out for these birthday packages and start collecting them. If we dive into bonus, go to gifts, we'll be able to see what I've collected so far. So these are some of the cool prizes that they're giving away. So elite member level 3, elite member for, winner 1 year, elite level 3 membership, a level 5 membership. You got the actual physical game playing cards that you can win. So I have 39 tickets into this one, 20 tickets into this one. These ones obviously you've got to purchase, but even if you don't win any of these prizes, the cool stuff that is contained in those birthday missions alone is worth collecting. And like I say, you're not even going to be using any energy to do that, because any energy that you actually use, they are giving you that back 100%. And I think that's really cool. Okay, so other big news. As I said at the beginning, CMG have now released a mobile game. But before we actually get into that, I want to say slight commiserations, but also a congratulations. I had 2 members contact me today telling me that they had reached a level 15 and could they claim their prize. Unfortunately, when I looked up their username, they were not in my downline, and that my CMG downline, that is, and that is one of the stipulations to be eligible for that 50,000 Satoshis giveaway. So that means that there's still 3 prizes available. But I do want to say to Peter626 and Obo Crypto, a big congratulations for reaching level 15, because a lot of people that join this game don't even make it to level 15. So I do hope you're enjoying it, and good luck for your gaming future. Okay, so like I say, CMG have now released a mobile game. If we go into bonuses here, mobile games, this is their game. So it's called Hacker's Revenge, and basically what it is a hacker with his laser gun being attacked by viruses or bugs, and basically you just got to shoot them and destroy as many as you can, but at the same time you're collecting coins and other cool stuff. So you see this little green box over here. This is a response or a notification, push notification I got. I recently played the game, so I earned 81 crypto coins and I got 8 Bitcoin cards. Now I'm sure that many of you want to know what this game looks like, so let me give you a quick demonstration. Okay, so what you're looking at now is actually the end screen of that game that I just told you that I won 81 coins and 8 Bitcoin cards. Now I did this on the easy level. They have 3 levels, so they have easy, mid and hard. Basically it's the same game as you go through, but obviously the harder the level, the faster that the bugs come at you, so therefore obviously it just makes that game a lot harder. So what I'm going to show is I'm going to give you a demonstration on mid-level, because if I show you on easy level I could be playing for quite some time. Mid-level is that little bit harder, so I'm probably going to die a lot quicker. Okay, so as you can see here at the bottom, I've got my Hacker's Revenge icon there on the screen. So if we just quickly click on that, and here you go. This just gives you a quick example of what the game is and how you play it. So basically, thankfully, because it would be a lot harder if it wasn't, your little hacker man, he will auto target. So all you've got to do is tap the screen and he will fire at the incoming bugs. As you can see there, we have easy. We can click that for mid. We can click that for hard. If we click on the settings, all that really does is you can change the sound up and down, so you can switch it on and off. So if we maybe do that a little bit lower, and then just there. Now obviously the upgrade, if you click upgrade, if you've got enough, if you've earned enough crypto coins, you can click upgrade, and then you can upgrade obviously your level of fire. As you can see, I'm at level 2. You can upgrade your life, and I don't know what drop is. I'm guessing that might be how often the crypto coins come down for you to collect. I'm guessing that would make sense. So currently I'm at 100 crypto coins. So you've got to get sort of, for 1,000 I can get an extra life, I believe, and for 1,000 I can get more drops on the coin. So obviously the more drops are going to boost up the amount of coins available for you to collect. So that will probably be my next upgrade. Okay, and then you can actually connect your account to this, and that's why you see that push notification on my CMG account. Basically, when you click that, it will ask you for your CMG ID. Now, what that is basically your referral code. So if you go into profile, then down to referrals, click on that, and at the top it'll have your referral code. At the end there, it will have a set of numbers, which is your referral ID. what you need to do is type that referral ID in, then click connect, and it will be connected. It will link up to your CMG account. Okay, so that is pretty much all the instructions that you need to know. So let's give it a bash and see how many bugs we can kill. Okay, so I'm going to put it on mid because I'm not putting it on hard. I'm just not that confident. And obviously I want to look as cool as possible for you guys. So let's give it a go. Okay, so this one you'll just see the bugs coming down from the top of the screen. So you just got it one way, and then as you progress through, they'll come from behind you, they'll come from the side of you, and they just end up all over the place. And it does get very, very frantic, but it's actually a really cool game. It's so simple, but at the same time, it's actually pretty addictive. Because also as well, you know, you're thinking to yourself, well, you know, if the further I can get through this, then the more coins I can earn, and therefore, you know, the more bonuses and stuff like that I can get into my CMG account. As well, you've got to think, when you're away, when you're out and about, you can give this a bash, and you could be topping up your crypto coins and, you know, anywhere you want, because obviously it is on your mobile phone. So, you know, as you can see here, we're doing our best. So like I say, you've just got to make sure that you tap the screen within the barriers. So basically between the white lines, that's where you've got to be tapping the screen. Okay, so so far we've got 2 CMG coins. So this is what I say, it gets harder. The cool thing is you'll probably, because obviously I'm recording this, you'll see the whole screen. Most of the screen is actually covered by my thumb trying to tap on and kill all these bugs. So it's actually not that exciting for me to watch, because I'm just sort of looking at my thumb dashing around. But for you, I guess it's probably a lot better. But like I say, you know, it's a dead simple game, but I actually think it's actually really cool. It's something I probably couldn't actually, I don't think I'd actually get bored of this, especially because you're constantly thinking, like I say, you're actually earning coins for your account. So, okay, so look, we're up to 10 coins already. But like I say, it does get a bit frantic. That's another coin. Oh, got killed. There you go. I told you on, so we earned 12 coins and we got a score of 28,000. Bad request. I have no idea what that is. So anyway, we go back and then basically just come out of it. All you got to do is click quit. So if you are looking for another fun way and easily accessible anywhere to build up crypto coins in your account, CMG have just given it to you. Download this cool game. Obviously you can just click on the Google Play button, go straight through to the Google Play page and download directly from there. And I think you will enjoy it, and I definitely think you'll find it a little bit addictive, so don't lose too much time playing it. Okay, so as well, for those of you that are not familiar with what crypto mining game is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a playlist. That playlist contains quite a lot of videos now. All of them pretty much contain lots of hints and tips which will obviously aid you in getting the most out of your account. But if you only want to watch 2 videos, make sure you watch the very first one, which will tell you the bare minimum that you need to be doing to be earning coins from this program, and then the one that is called Get Paid to Play. Now what that will do is that will give you the rules and regulations of how to get involved with this 50,000 Satoshi giveaway competition that I'm doing. But do remember, there is only 3 prizes left. So if you start it, there is a possibility that those 3 prizes might go to other people and you might not have enough time to actually capture one of those prizes. But obviously, if you do want to get involved, make sure you check out that video, because it tells you the rules that you need to follow to qualify for that 50,000 Satoshi prize. And remember, it's 50,000 Satoshis to everyone, not divided. Okay, so as well, just a quick rundown of the numbers. I can't believe it's actually been 3 weeks since the last time I did one of these videos. So obviously since then, a few things have changed. If we basically take a quick look, so 3 weeks ago, our level was at 7.34%. So we were at level 18 and we'd completed 7.34%. You can see there now we are at 22%. So, you know, a pretty good jump there. I know it's been 3 weeks, but you know, I think it's not a bad jump. We did have 1,444 H power. We now have 1,534, so nearly a gain of 100 H power by just doing those world missions and attacking people for the VMP. Also, if you look at the Litecoin, we did have 882,979 Litecoin. We now have 158,800 and 85 because, and that is obviously the payment proof that we are doing today. So let's go and check that out right now. So if we go into profile, go to withdraw, and then we just scroll down. So if we scroll down, so you can see there, that is a list of all the withdrawals that we've done. So we've basically withdrawn 3 million Litecoin, 610,000 Dash, and 320,000 Ethereum. Litecoin is the quickest one to get to a minimum payout. So I do advise that if you are looking to get payouts from this program, I would stick to Litecoin because it is the quickest one to get a minimum payout on. Okay, so if we look at the dates, so we withdrew the last this most recent withdrawal. We drew that on the 12th of the 11th, 2020. And if you look to the right hand side of the screen, that is a shot of our mobile wallet, and you can see that we actually got the withdrawal into the wallet on the 19th of November. So that's 7 days. But actually with CMG, that is not a long time. When you make a withdrawal, they actually say it can take up to 10 days for your withdrawal to arrive in your wallet. So 7 days is completely fine. And you can see there that we received 1,004,850 Litecoin. And so at the end of the day, we know the program is still working. We're still receiving payments. So that is exactly what we want, and that is totally cool. And if you are interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, put it on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.